Going to Vietnam, the Next Generation Export Hub, Part 2, Hanoi Edition. In November 2023, Metasoft's EasyAI was invited by the Korean government and selected as a promising export company. We attended the 2023 Vietnam-Korea Digital Forum. Let's take a look at this historic moment as EasyAI's safety management team takes one step closer to overseas exports. As it was an important event focused on pioneering market opportunities in Vietnam, hosted by the Korean government, this exhibition took place at the prestigious JW Marriott Hotel in Hanoi. The first step began with a VIP tour for the ministers of science and technology from both Vietnam and Korea. During the exhibition, many international buyers visited our booth and inquired about EasyAI's safety services. As a result, we achieved a tremendous success by signing a total of 9 MOUs. Many of the buyers requested further meetings upon our return home. EasyAI Intelligent CCTV is capable of AI detection based on desired incident types, such as fire, fall, and quality improvement. Join us as we move towards overseas exports with the Metasoft EasyAI Safety Management Team.